Hello people, today we're going to talk about how to download videos from a Facebook page. Be it Facebook page, be it Facebook private group, be it whatever it is, even if it is in Facebook real feed. So long as that video is actually uploaded in the Facebook, you can download it. It is downloadable. So today I'm going to show you the secret on how to make it possible. Okay, without wasting any of your time, let's just dive in to get started on how to do that. So okay, this is my PC. What I'm going to do is just to go straight to my browser. I'm using Chrome here, and this is a Facebook. So I can just download whatever I want from the Facebook, so long as it is a video and I like it. Right, when you go to your Facebook page, you can just go to the groups that you belong to, or you identify the group that you want to download video from. When you have discovered the group that you want to download this video from, all you gotta do is just to go straight to that video and click on it. And as you do this, I will show you step by step on how to download these videos. Alright, this is a Facebook group, it's a private group, and I have found a video that I want to download, which is exactly this video. So what I'm gonna do now is just to download this video. Meanwhile, this Facebook group is a private Facebook group, which ideally you cannot download. It doesn't give you any space here to download anything from this group. But since I like this video, I like the content that this owner have created. Of course, you know her. She is one of the best hand when it comes to entrepreneur, online publishing, and all sorts of ebook work. I give it to her. She's the best. Alright people, now I've found the Facebook video that we want to download. Now we'll download this Facebook video. Ideally, you cannot download it because Facebook have made it impossible for you to download, because this group is a private group. It makes it impossible for someone to download a video from this group. But I'm going to show you the hack to download this video. What this means is that if you have a beautiful video or a content that someone has created online that you like, and you want to watch it regularly without logging or going online all the time to watch, you can watch it at your free time. Now I'm going to show you how to download it. Now I'm using this particular video, but it can be your own video that you have already uploaded, or a live stream that you made, or the video that you hosted that you actually want to rebrand, transform, and repost again. But because of the limitations that you have, you might not be able to download it. But today I'm going to give you the real thing on how to make this possible. Alright, you know the lady in this video, the founder of the online publisher and entrepreneur network. She's the best when it comes to ebook publishing. She's the best hand you can think of. Whenever you want to publish an ebook and you don't have a clue, just go straight to this online publishers and entrepreneur network and look for the admin. She is the admin. She is the founder of this particular group, and she is the best. When I say she is the best, she remains the best. Of course, I have watched her teach, and I've listened to her courses. I've participated in her seminars and her workshops. So when I tell you she is the best, she is the best. So okay, without wasting much of your time, let's just dive in and make this possible. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, this is the video that I want to download. I will just click on this video. Alright,
hello everyone.
Click to make sure that this video opens in another phone. Alright, so when this video opens like this, I have options to extract the contents of this video. Meanwhile, if you look here, there is no way I can download it. If I right click, it is not even showing anything or giving me the chance to download this video. But if I click at this side, and I see this chain like stuff here saying copy the link. I can decide to click here and I copy the link. You see here it's showing link copied, or I can just click on this search bar and copy the content. And what I'm gonna do is in another tab and paste the URL I have copied. But now what I'm gonna do is to click here and remove. Here is showing webs. Hope you are seeing my cursor where it is. See what I will remove. I will remove this web, or sometimes it will show the www.facebook.com, but here is showing web.facebook.com / other things that are involved. Okay, but what I will do is I will delete, or I will erase the web.facebook and put it M. So when I put it M, what this will do is that it will open this video in a mobile phone. I can click. Alright, the video have the Facebook page have loaded, but now it has opened in a mobile phone. Okay, since I've opened in a mobile phone, now what I have to do is just to right click, and I click. When I right click on any part of the video, possibly the upper side, and I click on inspect, it will open the back end of this video. When it opens the back end of this video, there are one specific thing you have to do. You have to be careful when you are dealing with this aspect, so they will not make a mistake and lose what you are about to gain, or what you're supposed to do in order to get this video extracted from the group or download from the cyber space. Alright, you look at all that is written here. You see element, you see console, you see recorder, you see sources, you see network, you see network, you see performance insight, you see performance, you see memory. I just want you to click on network. When you click on network, it will load and bring out what you're going to do is just to click on this video and ask it to play, and you stop it again. Alright, when you click on play, you stop it. There is no need, you don't want to play the video, but you just want to extract something from the video. The video is about to play. Look at it. The face is so beautiful and so wonderful. Alright, so when you click on this video, what you're going to do is you look out for this particular code. You see how it is? You look out for it. You double click on it. Either you copy this particular code, or you double click, or you look here, you see the URL of the video, and copy it. But instead of you making a mistake, you can just double click here, or as you have clicked and it's now highlighted, you copy the content and open another bar and paste. But here I will just double click on it, it will open another bar for me, and when it opens, it will open this video in another tab. Okay, when it opens this video in another tab, now I have this video at control. So whatever I want to do to this video, I will do to it. I don't want the video to play. All I need to just to download it so that I can play it all the time. Like I can listen to the lecture that this lady have taken time, to prepare and give out. That the content she have already she have given out is one of the best. So I just want to keep it for myself all the time so that I can play it. So what I'm gonna do is just I right click on this, and I will say, you will see save video as, or if you look at these three dots here, you can see download video. Now when you click on this download video, what we do is that it will download the content of this video. But when you click here save as, it will also download this video. But here it will give you the opportunity to change the name of the video and put the name that you want. Like you can rename it and name it wherever you want to name it, maybe Facebook video or whatsoever you want. Okay, let's just use Facebook video, and you say save. Alright, immediately the video will download. Now when the video, you see, is already downloading here, then when the video have finished downloading, I'll go to my file and look for downloads. Then I'll look for the video. Click on my files, then click on downloads, then I'll look for the video. Of course, you already saved the video with a name for easy identification. So this is the video that we have downloaded that is on Facebook that we are unable to download before. Alright, I can just click on this to play the video. Wow, this is the video. It is automatically my system.
Hello.
Play it at any given time, at my convenient time, whenever I want to. I can even, play it when I'm walking on the street in order to get inspirations, knowledge, ideas on how to do whatever the video is talking about. Alright, so this is how you can download a video from a Facebook group, private group, a public group, Facebook page, or from a Facebook news feed. Anywhere the video is posted in the Facebook, this is how you will be able to download the Facebook page as easy as possible. I hope this is wonderful, but if you like the content, if you like this particular video that we have created, please, I want you to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Please, I beg you, subscribe to our channel. It will help us to keep on producing this kind of content. And also it will boost our morale to create more of this content. And we cannot overemphasize the importance of subscription. This is what you will do for us. Just show us love by subscribing. And also want you to drop a comment in the comment section. Tell us more about the video. What do you say, and whatever you feel about the video, or any kind of video you want us to make. We'll be glad to make more videos for you in order to make sure that you enjoy your digital journey. Thank you once again for watching. Bye bye.